Hi everybody, gonna do another little quick tutorial here. This is in case you've been added to another teacher's class, which may be happening across different departments. So for example, here are all my classes. I've been added to another teacher's class, sometimes so I can see the work they're doing and we can share stuff. If you don't want to receive notifications, emails every time something gets updated, which can be kind of annoying, what you're going to want to do is inside of Google Classroom, click in the top left corner, go down to Settings, and then in the Settings tab, go down here to Notifications. If you really don't want any emails, you can turn this off. And you can also do different things here. You can make sure you don't get any notifications when you get comments. And if you want to turn off specific notifications, and this might be probably the most useful thing if you're being added to classes across your department, that you don't want to receive any notifications, just go ahead and slide these little sliders. So again, this is for teachers who might be added to different classrooms and they don't want to get notifications. Again, I'll go back. You'll be in your classroom, in your Google Classroom. You'll click up here in the top corner, go down to Settings, and then you can modify the notifications. And probably the easiest one is just turn off the notifications for classes that aren't yours. That way you won't get, bombarded with emails every day. Cool. Hope that helps. See you later.